Question 14. The diagram shows the positions of three cities, Singapore, The Hill, and Tokyo. Angle SDT is 55 degrees, which they already mark out for you here. The bearing of The Hill from Singapore is 317 degrees. Now, from Singapore means the compass must be drawn from Singapore, okay, which we already have it here. So bearing always start from clockwise direction from the north compass. So clockwise direction all the way until the hill is this. So all the way until here, the hill, that line right here that joins Singapore to the hill is 317 degrees. And the bearing of Tokyo from Singapore is 0.44. Okay, from Singapore as well. So we start at the bearing, okay, at the point at Singapore to Tokyo. Tokyo is here, linked by this line. So the bearing from Singapore to Tokyo is from the north compass, okay, to this line is 44 degrees. So once you mark this out, all right, you can actually find certain information already, okay. Now, what do they want? Find the bearing of Singapore from the hill. From the hill means your north compass is here and clockwise all the way until you get to Singapore. Okay, so how do we solve this question? Number one, we will find this angle first. Okay, to find that angle, I will take 360 degrees. I just minus 317 degrees. I will have 43 degrees, and this property is angles at a point. Alright, and once I have this is 43 degrees, okay, from here, I will use my interior angles. Okay, why interior angles? Because north compass will always be parallel to each other, right? So there's interior angles happening right here. Okay, interior angle states that this plus this will give you 180. So to find this angle, I just simply have to take 180 minus away 43 degrees. Okay, you have 137 degrees. This is using interior angles, okay, from the parallel lines given by the north compass. Okay, and that is the bearing of Singapore from the hill, 137 degrees. For part B, 14B, find the bearing of the hill from Tokyo. From Tokyo, now we are looking at the compass from Tokyo, okay, to the hill. So the hill is right here, okay, which means we are looking at this line. So clockwise all the way until this line. Alright, so what can you do first? If you take a look, 137 and 55, we can first minus them, okay, which means 137, I minus 55 degrees, I will have 82 degrees, okay, because they are right next to each other. So I will get here is 82 degrees. Okay, why do I want to get to this value? So that I can use interior angles. Once again, can you see? That's the north and the north, right? So this and this will add up to become 180. So 180, I minus away 82. I will get 98 degrees. So here it will be 98 degrees. And now I can actually find this because all of them add up to 360 at a point. So 360 minus away 98, I will get 262 degrees. Okay, and this using angles at a point. The previous one, I'm using interior angles due to the parallel lines. Okay, so my final answer here is 262 degrees.